Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela and thanks for stopping by. For today's video, I am doing an unboxing for you guys and I'm really glad to be back into filming. I feel like 2018 has just been not a hard year for my channel. 2018 hasn't really been a hard year for my channel. I just haven't been able to film much for whatever reason. It just feels like there's a lot going on in my mind and just a lot going on that I haven't been able to put my channel as a priority, and I absolutely hate that, and I hope that you guys can bear with me, and I really hope it's the end of 2018, or like right now, things start to get better, because I really miss being consistent. I miss being more interactive with you guys. I miss having big opportunities for my channel, and when you're not consistent, none of those things really happen. So I'm trying to fix that by doing today's video. So for today's video, I decided to do a unboxing, and this is my Walmart Beauty box for summer 2018. And if you're unfamiliar with Walmart Beauty, it's a seasonal subscription service, a beauty subscription service, but Walmart Beauty tends to focus more around skincare and body care, but you never really know season to season. So they claim that the box is free, however you have to pay $5 shipping and handling, and so it's not really free because nothing in life is ever free, am I right? So, but other than that, it's very affordable, especially for what you get in the box. It is always valued over $5, and I just think it's a nice little box to receive, and it's something I feel like pretty much everybody can afford. So I will have the link in the description below for you guys to be able to subscribe if you're interested. It's not a referral link or anything. They don't have anything quite like that, but I'll have that in the description if you're interested in subscribing or joining Walmart Beauty Box. I really love the box for this season, I guess, and I think I'm going to save it for, it'd be a nice box to have my current favorites when I do those videos. I normally I never save the Walmart Beauty boxes. I really want to save this one. It's super cute. So when you open it up, you see some tissue paper right here. Oh, here's the card. I just really like the design this month, or this season. I'm used to monthly subscriptions, so I keep saying this month. The cards are such a waste of paper because it literally says the same thing. Embrace your beauty, and then it says rate and review the Summer's box at walmart.com/tp/shop-beauty-box. It's literally a waste of paper. Whatever, probably some kind of formality, legal thing, I don't really know. Getting into what we all subscribe for, and that is the products inside the box. What on earth? Okay, this is really weird to me, but okay. The first thing that's in my box is by the brand Village Naturals Therapy, and it's aches and pains, cold and allergy relief, concentrated mineral bath, soak, powerful therapeutic blend for awakening senses, rejuvenation, on-the-go relief. Epsom salt, menthol, and lemon. I am not going to be using this. This is just something I don't use, so I don't really know who to give it to. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but this is just a really weird product to me to put in a box like this. The next product we have here is a foil packet, and it's by the brand Garnier Fructis. It's the damage repairing treat 1-minute hair mask, and it's papaya extract, and it's 98% naturally derived ingredients, vegan formula, 94% biodegradable formula, no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants. Garnier is trying to be more natural because a lot of brands are finally going that way. That's really cool. I'm gonna actually try this because a lot of hair masks aren't natural these days, so this looks like they're really trying to be more natural. And I'm trying to use more natural products, as you guys know. I'm not hardcore natural products yet, but I'm trying to slowly transition into more natural products. So the next product that we have in the box is also by the brand Garnier Fructis, and it's the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo Oat Delicacy, and this is shampoo and conditioner. And I actually received this in my last Walmart Beauty box in the spring, and I really liked it. So I'm excited to get another sample of this product. We have a lot of little info cards here. A little card on the delicacy thing. A card on some new Garnier Fructis products. Oh, and then we have another Garnier. This whole box is Garnier, but this is the Garnier. This is not the Garnier Fructis. This is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Moisturizer Night or Day Mask. Made with rose water. Made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. It's a very small sample, but enough to give it a quick try. This one seems to have many more ingredients than the hair mask. I don't think I'm going to be using this. It has alcohol, denat, it has sterile, alcohol, and fragrance. This is not natural, although it says 96% natural. Nice try, Garnier, but the hair mask is actually much more natural. Now this is nifty. This is a ginormous product by Neutrogena, and it's the new Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydrogel Mask. Instantly quenches skin, deeply hydrates, and leaves skin supple and hydrated. That's awesome. That is like a huge mask. This is so many nasty ingredients. If you guys really read like what is on our products, man, you would be shocked. I was excited about this, but after reading what is in the product, I'm no longer so excited. Ooh, this is nice. This is a nice product. So this is Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. A gentle clean for hands and face. No harsh chemicals. I wish companies would get away from fragrance. Not everything needs fragrance. Like, why do hand wipes need fragrance? Fragrance, like this. Meh. But I'm still gonna use these. These are not bad. And these they're hypoallergenic, and they're alcohol-free and paraben-free. These aren't too bad, and that's a really nice product. Plus, these would be great for traveling as well. That is nice. If I'm completely honest with you guys, this is kind of like a really weird box. It's kind of a lot of odd products, like aches and pains, cold, allergy relief, mineral bath. So wet wipes, wet wipes, which I'm not too mad about. Those are nice, but I'm not going to be using this because of the ingredients that are in it, and I'm not going to be using the Garnier moisturizer. I'm pretty much only excited about the hair mask and the shampoo and conditioner and these wet wipes. So that was everything that was in my Walmart beauty box. Overall, I think for $5, it's not bad. Plus, there's a few products I could give away or something. So for $5, I feel like you get some really nice brands this month. So that is definitely really nice. I guess that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. And let me know what your favorite product was in your Walmart beauty box. And if you're posting on social media, be sure to use the hashtag Walmart Beauty Box so I can see your posts, and tweet me a picture of what you received in your Walmart Beauty Box. Again, this video is not sponsored. I just like Walmart Beauty Box. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.